Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this video we're going to be working on the mobility scooter. So what you're going to see we're going to do in today's video is we're going to shorten the frame by taking the spindles and move it back. We're also going to be readjusting the camera because it's way too much. We're going to bend the steering hoop in this video, maybe even get some of the steering stuff on, which is probably not going to happen, but so yeah. So that's what's going to be in this video. For part 2 we're going to be finishing up the steering. So yeah, stay tuned. Okay guys, so as you can see we cut the frame like 5 inches. So now we're gonna go notch it, weld on the bar that Julian has in his hand, and then put a little. Yeah, so it's gonna be looking like that, a lot shorter. It looks a lot nicer now.
Before it just seemed like a limo.
Yeah, so now it looks cooler. And then we're gonna notch it, weld that tube on at an angle like that. We're gonna cut off those 2 spindles and redo the angle because it's like at like way too much angle right now. So we have way too much camber, so that we're gonna do that. Then right after we finish that, we're gonna get started on the steering hoop. So yeah, that should be fun. Subscribe! Bye. Alright guys, so we got the, the hangers welded in. We cut it, we notched both of them. We welded it, we tacked it more like it. We welded some stuff like the brake mount and that, just to get it all like perfect. So right now, we're gonna start on the steering hoop. So yeah, we completely disassembled it. There was like brakes on, spindles, like handbrake, so we took all of that off. Axle was on, so we took it off. So yeah, this is what it looks like stripped. It's a little bit shorter, as you could see. We might do bearings and install the steering shaft. We probably won't do that today though, but that'll probably be in part 6, so stay tuned for that, and also subscribe because it helps us, and leave a thumbs up and turn on your bell for notifications. And we try to post every single week, so stay tuned for that. Either posts on Wednesdays or Thursdays. So yeah, now we're gonna put you guys on a time lapse. Okay guys, so we cut the pipe and right now we're gonna mark it and then we're gonna start bending. This is 75 inches and then we're thinking
Around
26
high, 25, 26 on the high.
and 17 in width.
Yeah.
So yeah. Alright guys, so we're about like 2 or 3 degrees off from a 90 right now, so we're gonna bend it right now till we get to a 90. We're gonna check it, and then we're gonna start working on the second bend. After that, we're gonna notch it and weld it. So,
If everything goes as planned.
yeah. Alrighty guys, so this pipe bender from Harbor Freight, it's not capable to do what we need it to do. Bed. Yeah, bed. Very not good. So we need it to be a 90, couple inches, and then again a 90. But it can't do that because if you do it, it's gonna start hitting this, and I'm bending the first bend. So this thing needs to die. Alright guys, so it's the next day, and we kinda didn't really film much, but we notched the steering hoop, and then we also made these kinda ugly flanges right there for the pillow block bearings. We're about to weld this flange on. This flange. Right here. Yeah, nothing special. But yeah, and then after we get that on, we're gonna bolt it on. Then steering is pretty much done after that. All we gotta do is put the quick release on, which we don't know if we're gonna do yet, or we're just gonna buy a hub. And then after that, we gotta get new tie rods because ours are way too short. But yeah, after that, we're gonna reassemble the axle, the brakes, put my old steering wheel on, and then yeah. We'll put on the spindles. We don't have any wheels yet for it.
We might have to readjust the camber.
And they weren't welded on too straight, so we're gonna redo that. But yeah, it's not looking too bad right now.
We just gotta weld it up and then
Tack it up. Put the steering wheel on.
if we have time, after doing everything we need to do, we might do the floor pan. Which the chances are small, but
yeah.
reassembling is probably going to be the end of the video.
So yeah.
Alrighty guys, so we got the bottom flange welded, it's bolted on. It works good, I guess. So I guess this is it for this video. We're not gonna start doing not adjusting any of this, not reassembling it with a floor pan. We're just gonna go at this, do that in the next video. We might have to do something with this bar. We don't know yet. But right now we need to clean up and put this thing away, and then see you guys in the next video.